The other thing about this that is wonderful is when you go to customize reports, you can filter by expiration date. So you can do already expired items, yet to expire items, so ones that haven't expired. I think it's funny, yet to. Or you can do a custom date range. Show me everything that's going to expire in the next month. So they added a filter to this report for expiration dates as well. The other report that we added is under inventory, and they have inventory expiration status. Okay, so it looks very similar, but it tells you how many days until it expires, and it's based on the calendar date, right? So sample file thinks it's 2028. It's based on the calendar date, so when is this going to expire? And again, you can customize this report and filter for expiration dates. But when are these lot numbers going to expire? So cool report. This is an Enterprise Diamond and Platinum only, right? Because that's where we have expiration date.